Okay, I don't know if this is going to make it into a video or if this is just going to be for my people here, my wife and Ella, Nicole. But algae is not your friend. Algae is a good place, breeding ground for root aphids, and we've had them before and we started seeing a few again, so we cleared this rascal out. No more root aphids, but you got to clean this floor. You got to pressure wash this floor. That's why I don't think gravel is a good idea. It's too many places for them to hide, either concrete or this 3mm woven fabric greenhouse floor. Good stuff. Pressure wash it. Takes forever because you just gotta like do a little bit at a time. I use this rascal right here. Anyway, we pressure wash the entire floor, and then we hit it with this stuff called wet and forget. Not cheap. That stuff right there, that keeps it from coming back. And anyway, that's what that's what we do. That's what I'm doing here. I got the wet and forget down in there. I've already pressure washed that side. I'm gonna soak it down real good with that. Also spray it on the plastic over there to keep that from getting algae. All right, I'm gonna show you just how freaking slow a process this is. This takes a 2-inch path out. See that? I have to do that for this whole, I had to do that for this whole greenhouse. 2-inch path, the whole thing, to get all this crap off of here. Okay, I know you can hear the rain. It's lovely out here when it's raining. I love the sound, and it's very comfortable. Anyway, this is done. I did want to tell you there's a really nice way to keep track of what kind of insects you do have in here. You put these little sticky traps out here, and then these little guys attract, that yellow attracts most of these flying insects, and you can kind of see what you're dealing with. But anyway, make sure you put a fresh set of those out after you've cleaned all this, and that way you can keep track of what's in here or how well you did. I still need to put new fabric in here. This stuff is, I'm gonna say it's 7, maybe 8 years old. Not sure, somewhere in it, anyway, between 6 and 8 years old. It lasts a long time. This gets a lot of traffic in here. You can see the difference. It's really nice underneath there, but it gets a lot of traffic in here, so we work it pretty hard. God bless. Go play in some dirt, some nutrient solution, whatever it takes to grow something, and we'll see you next time. Bye.